Hi everyone, Awesome and Sun Fun Kids. We just like to give you a preview of one of the things that we're going to be doing in a future release, version 4. Try to get it ready for you guys this end of the, before, by the end of this weekend, or if not, it'll be definitely available by sometime next week. So we're changing the multi-view system and making it a little more easy for people to use. This example, I'm just going to randomly select 4 batteries. Now, just keep in mind these are not connected together, but in your setup, normally if you have up to 4, you can do multi-view. So we're going to go ahead and hit connect. One of the things that we've changed in this version is now it's going to ask you how exactly your batteries are set up. Do you have your batteries set up in series? Are they in parallel? Or are they in 2 in series, 2 in parallel, like a 24-volt setup? So first we're just going to say, hey, these are just parallel to just a very large 12-volt bank, and I can hit submit. And when I'm there, basically what I'm going to see is now I can see all of my batteries. Now, these are not actually connected, which is why the SOCs are sort of all over the place. Normally, when you would have a battery bank set up, you charge them up to equal and set them up that way. But what we sort of get now is, on screen we can see all 4 of our devices, the total SOC, the total voltage, the total amps, so on and so forth. So it gives us sort of a condensed view of this information, and it also works, quite well in both orientations. If we were to change it to a different orientation, it should also orient that way. But going back to sort of this orientation, we can sort of see how everything is there. Now let's go back and just scan and just see if you wanted to connect 2 batteries. This seems to be one of the most common setups. Most of the customers that we have usually have 2 batteries. 2 batteries by far is what a lot of people do, especially our large 300 amp hour batteries. So we'll just connect to 2 this time, and we might get a connection error. Yeah, because we're connected again. So when we hit retry, it's going to disconnect the battery and connect again. Sorry, one more time. See here. Okay, so now again, since we're connecting to 2, it's going to ask us, do you have 2 in parallel or do you have 2 in series? So in this case, we'll just say, hey, we have 2 in series, so they're 24 volts, and he'll hit submit. And when we hit submit now, we will clearly see like the combined voltage. So now the voltage will be like 26.61, and we can also see each battery. So this will support battery nicknames. It will also support the ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So those are being added, and we should have all this sort of ready. Like I said, probably try to get it done for you by Friday and publish it, which means it'll probably be by Monday before you'll actually see it in the app stores. But yeah, that's what it's going to be. And after this and some few changes, we'll start looking at doing wireless over CAN bus. The goal is to first get Victron systems to work, and trying to have a beta version of that ready sometime I would say early December, late November. So that's gonna be pretty exciting. We'll see how that goes. Okay, just wanted to give you an update, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.